Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the target Google Sheet and confirming you have edit access. Once done, name the sheet and freeze the header row so columns stay visible. This prevents misalignment when scrolling. Next, import or paste your data directly, choose File Import for CSV or drag a file in, and select whether to replace or append. Make sure column types read correctly. Change format to number, date, or text as needed before editing. You now perform the main edits. Enter formulas and fill them down, then use array ranges where appropriate to reduce manual copying. After that, apply conditional formatting so important values stand out, and set data validation rules to prevent bad entries. Make sure to format numbers, dates, and percentages for clarity. If multiple editors work on this, protect ranges and add comments, and check version history to review or restore. You finish by auditing key formulas and spot-checking totals so numbers reconcile. Once satisfied, set sharing permissions, and either publish or export to the required format like XLSX or PDF. Save a named version to lock the final state. If something goes wrong, first refresh the browser and reopen the sheet, then clear cache or try an incognito window. If errors persist, restore the last known good version from version history, and communicate changes to collaborators so everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.